Hello, my name's Charlie Redding and I'm the founder of Efficient Portfolio, one of the UK's top financial planning practices. I'm also a chartered financial planner and I'm also the author of The Dream Retirement, How to Secure Your Money and Retire Happy. Now, over the last 10 years at Efficient Portfolio, we've managed to grow our new business levels tenfold. We've 10x'd our new business levels in 10 years. And yet, this has been through a time where I've taken less and less time in the business. I've had more free time than I've ever had. I've got a young family and it's vital that I spend time watching them grow up. I'm also competing in triathlon events and I'm set to do my first Ironman later on this year, which takes a huge amount of training. So if you want to get a better work-life balance, I look forward to seeing you there.